My friend was really nice in the last episode. We're gonna see another recipe by my doll. Miss, what's her name? Jenna Prestana?
Jenna Bobana.
She's a little bored.
Bored in the kitchen? That is a recipe for disaster.
Not too much. Shush.
No.
Are you ready for a little spaghetti surprise?
No.
Let's go. Not me starting the video.
That looks dry. Why are we blending pasta?
So
For
she's
what
making
purpose?
grains?
For pasta flour. Was pasta. You know what you could have just done? Added water and had pasta.
Now,
instead
sister,
of making
don't
pasta.
do that to them.
That looks like dry clay. She's making pottery. It looks dry.
I love once again the return of the manicure.
Thick ass noodles, those churros, girl.
Yeah,
You're
why is it so
comparing the
big?
spaghetti strands that you have to now
It's
these udon noodles.
It's rigatoni.
Them shits as thick as
French fries.
That is too big, girl. That looks like ketchup and fries. Some cheese on it.
No.
That's a 0 out of 10. Guilty.